Okay, let's see, yeah, first time ko hatahi ulit yung Spirit. Spirit from the newer version of The Lion King. Medyo mahirap siyang kanta kasi it's taking the lower notes to the high notes. At saka nakalimutan ko yung ginawa ni Beyonce. May falsetto siya sa dulo eh. Di ko makuha yun. So, I'll try to hit the notes. But, let's see. And the wind is talking. For the very first time, the melody that was you towards it, pain and pleasures and paradise. Listen to the light in the sky. Was the light left your heart up when you fly through the night? Oh, sky. Was the heavens open? Yeah, oh, Spirit. Can you hear it calling, calling? And the water's crashing, trying to keep your head up high. I trembling, that's when the magic happens and the stars get by. I rise up to the light in the sky. Let the light lift your heart up, bring your flame to the night. Yeah. Watch the heavens open, Spirit. Can you hear it calling, calling? Yeah, suddenly you stand up and fight. So go into that farmland and be one with the was the heavens open, Spirit. Can you hear it calling, calling? Was the heavens open, open? Yes, and can you hear it calling? Stand up and rise into the land of the ay medyo alanganin kasi yung M niya, tapos may spirit na may sorry na alanganin yung last chord yung di ba yung sorry yung bridge tapos Di ko alam kung mataas yun ang bababa. At tapos, may binaba ako na spirit. Yung second spirit. Tapos, di ko alam yung, nag-aalangan ako dun sa falsetto niyan. Di ko alam kung anong notes yun. Yung mga pinafalsetto ni Beyonce. So, I guess I have to listen to that song. Anyway, thank you.